At the far edge of our solar system lies a mysterious blue world known as Neptune. It is the eighth and most distant major planet from the Sun, orbiting about 4.5 billion kilometers away. Because of this enormous distance, sunlight takes more than 4 hours to reach Neptune. From space, Neptune appears calm and beautiful, glowing with a deep blue color. But beneath those clouds lies one of the most violent and extreme environments in the entire solar system. Neptune is classified as an ice giant, similar to its neighboring planet Uranus. Unlike rocky planets like Earth or Mars, Neptune is mostly made of water, ammonia, and methane ice, surrounding a dense core. The planet's striking blue color comes from methane gas in its atmosphere, which absorbs red light from the sun and reflects blue light back into space. Despite receiving very little sunlight, Neptune has some of the most powerful weather in the solar system. Scientists have recorded winds reaching speeds of over 2,000 kilometers per hour, faster than any hurricane ever seen on Earth. These winds whip massive storms across the planet's atmosphere. One of the most famous storms ever seen on Neptune was the Great Dark Spot, discovered in 1989 by the spacecraft Voyager 2. This giant storm was roughly the size of Earth and behaved like a massive hurricane swirling through Neptune's clouds. However, when astronomers later looked again using the Hubble Space Telescope, the storm had completely disappeared, showing just how dynamic and unpredictable Neptune's atmosphere can be. Neptune is also surrounded by a faint system of thin rings, made mostly of ice particles and dust. These rings are much darker and harder to see compared to those around Saturn. Orbiting Neptune are 14 known moons, each with its own unique characteristics. The largest and most fascinating of these moons is Triton. Triton is extremely unusual because it orbits Neptune backwards, suggesting it may have once been a wandering object captured by Neptune's gravity. The moon is also incredibly cold, with temperatures dropping to about 235 degrees Celsius, making it one of the coldest places in the solar system. Yet, despite this freezing environment, Triton is geologically active. Scientists have observed cryovolcanoes, or ice volcanoes, that erupt nitrogen gas and frozen material high into the sky. Time also moves very differently on Neptune. A single day on Neptune lasts about 16 Earth hours, but a year on Neptune lasts 165 Earth years. This means that since its discovery in 1846, Neptune has completed just one full orbit around the Sun. Because Neptune is so far away, only one spacecraft has ever visited it, Voyager 2, which flew past the planet in 1989 and gave humanity its first close look at this distant world. Even today, much about Neptune remains unknown. Hidden in the dark outer region of our solar system, this powerful blue giant continues to swirl with violent storms and supersonic winds. And as it slowly travels around the Sun, Neptune remains one of the most mysterious and fascinating planets ever discovered.